Hi, today we're going to go over how to draw an angel cat. Let's get into it. It's going to be a really cute version. So we're going to start right here with the left side of the face. That's one ear. It's going to be kind of think of it as a small triangle, but make it kind of round toward the edge, not too angular. We're going to pull across the top of the head. I'm going to angle it this direction, pull another straight line, and then I'm going to throw small U shapes until I reach the body. Same thing on the other end. I'm going to throw a cross right here. I'm going to draw across it, the circle, and I'm going to fill in half that shape. Line for the nose, and that's basically an upside down triangle. And I am going to throw some whiskers on here, some small ones. But that's pretty much it. Thank you. I appreciate you watching, guys. And let me know if you did like this. Press the like button. Also, if you did like this, please share it somewhere on Facebook or Tumblr. Any of those makes a huge difference to me, and I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, one last thing. If you want, you could sign up for the email list. I'm holding a contest until May 15. I am there's a giveaway of $100. If you sign up for the email list, you're automatically submitted if you sign up for the email list, and you know, you will be entered in a chance to win $100. So thank you guys. I'll put the information of that below. So talk to you later.